Stop me if this isn't you. If you're a guy and you hear the word tailor, you're most likely gonna think of things like wedding garments, like suits and formal wear and things like that, right? And yeah, that makes sense. A lot of those garments usually fit pretty poorly. But what about your normal, everyday, casual clothes that you wear like 99% of the time? All those have the exact same problems. All of those don't fit very well either. And in addition to thinking that fitted means tight, this is another really big misconception about tailoring that a lot of guys have, and what ends up stopping a lot of guys from ever trying this in the first place. Because the second you hear the word tailor, and your brain automatically thinks of super formal events like getting ready for a wedding or a ballroom dinner, and you're gonna have some super fancy guy named Charles like measuring your inseam and figuring out all your different dimensions and proportions and sizes. And I get it, I see you standing there, you're standing there with your t-shirt and your jeans and your sneakers on thinking, okay, well, that's not me. But you hate the fit of those too, don't you? And you wear those for 95% of your life, and 66% of all statistics are made up on the spot. So if having all of your formal wear tailored is important and makes sense, why doesn't it also make sense for all of your casual clothes that you wear all the time? Now, casual clothes have those exact same fit problems, but we're so used to seeing it that we tell ourselves that it's normal, but it's not normal. I mean, polo shirts, they can still be 3 inches too wide in the body, or t-shirt sleeves can be like way too wide to where it's flapping around like you got a wing underneath your elbow. Those are fit problems too, they're just casual fit problems. And the funny thing is, most guys walk around all day, every day, thinking to themselves that, oh, I don't have a fit problem because I'm not wearing formal clothes. Let's use a basic t-shirt as an example. Let's say it fits perfectly in the shoulders and the chest, but it's really like big and boxy and just a whole bunch of extra fabric down in the waist. It looks like someone took a bed sheet and just kind of hung it over you, right? Your whole body disappears, your whole shape disappears, and you're most likely a pretty attractive guy. But all that is hidden behind that ridiculous poncho. It's not a t-shirt problem, that's a fit problem. Jeans, chinos, and dress shirts all have the exact same problem because manufacturers would rather take something and make it kind of sort of fit everybody okay, rather than having it fit let's say a smaller percentage of people fantastically, but then everybody else returns it. They just say, no, let's just kind of make it look like hot garbage on everybody. That'll work. And it does, sure, for them, but not for us, because on this channel we fix all that stuff, and it's really easy. A hoodie is another example. A hoodie can look fantastic on you. It doesn't have to look like a hot air balloon. Now, I understand that there are a lot of comfort factors that go into oversized hoodies. I have a lot of oversized hoodies myself. There is a time and a place for them, and the time and place for me might be different for you, so on and so forth. But there's also something to a very slim, like a nice, well-fitting hoodie. Like there's just something about it where you look at it and you're like, huh. And it's probably because it's rare and you don't see it very often. But either way, you notice it. Guys don't realize how good a perfectly fitting pair of chinos can look that they wear for work every single day. Let's say they are even work-issued chinos. You can alter those too. People don't realize how much better they look if they have a slight taper to them, or if they're not pooling all over the top of your shoes. And we're just talking about removing all that excess fabric that doesn't need to be there. And I say that because a lot of guys hear the word tailor and they automatically think tight. No. Tailoring does not mean tight. Tailoring or tailored means fitted. It's about making your clothes fit and be comfortable. Those are two completely separate things, two completely separate worlds. The overall goal and the idea is to make your clothes fit, comfortable, you're able to move around and bend and breathe and just act like a normal human being, and you just get rid of all the excess fabric that doesn't need to be there. All these alterations are very targeted alterations, not just this big overall, I'm gonna change everything on this garment. No, you pick a couple different things that might not be working on that garment, and you just focus on those. It might fit fine in the shoulders and the chest, but the waist, not so much. And what I love the most about altering casual clothes is not only the fact that you wear them like 99% of the time, 99% of your life, the results are spectacular to the point where people will see you're wearing the exact same clothes that everyone else is wearing, that they see everybody else wearing, and they'll kind of do a double take like, wait, I've seen that shirt before. It's a very common shirt or a very common pattern or wherever it may be, but how did you get it to look like that on you? Because I know it didn't come from the store like that. It looks great on you, and then kind of okay-ish on everybody else. So you see those improvements every single day because that's primarily what you wear. That's why I think it's kind of funny when people think that as far as tailoring goes, you should only have your formal clothes tailored. No. So the next time you hear the word tailored, I want you to get anything expensive or formal or wedding related out of your head and just take a look in the mirror and look at what you're wearing right now, like at this exact moment, even if it's a pair of joggers or gym shirts and a t-shirt. That right there is your biggest opportunity. Let's go learn how to make that t-shirt look fantastic on you. It's in the next video. I will see you over there. Rusty out. Deuces.